everyone, this is Daisy and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, we are going to open a box of happiness. And kasama dito sa box of happiness, yung napanalunan natin from Sissy Mitch. Ito yung YT channel niya, Everything Nice at Mitch Succulent Love. Please do subscribe to her channel and watch her video dahil napaka-informative. And ito yung box na i-open natin for today. So, nagulat ako. It's not color white. Usually, yung LBC is color white yung box. But now, it's brown. So, the package came from Davao. And ito naman yung ating seller. I-flex natin yung FB page na Joanna Succulents. She's from Davao. And napaka-healthy. And it is my second time to order sa kanya. So, let's start opening the box. I'm just using a small knife. So, medyo mahirap hanapin pala yung kung saan yung pinakagitna kapag brown yung box. Unlike pag white, madali mong makita. Kasi brown yung box, brown din yung tape ng LBC. So, nabuksan ko din naman. So, ayan, may mga fillers, tanggalin natin. And, I think yung malaking nakabalot sa tissue is yung, eto yung galing kay Sissy Mitch. Kasi dalawang set yun eh. Sinend naman niya sa akin yung picture, kaya lang hindi siguro nalagyan ng label ni Miss Joanna. Tapos, ang in-order ko kasi is 6 kabuto for 100 pesos each. At saka yung set niya na variegated gymnocalcium na 150 per set. I think 3 pieces per set yun. Yun yung mga in-order ko sa kanya. So, let's start unwrapping. Unahin natin yung blessing mula sa ating kaibigan na si Sissy Mitch. So, thank you so much, Sissy. Shout out sa'yo. And shoutout ko na rin si Sis Jeremy Hermano. Please visit her YouTube channel and watch her videos too. So, eto yung unang na-open natin. Ang ganda ng variegation niya. More on yellow variegation, pero yung lower part is may pagka-red or pink yung color. So, medyo matinik siya, masakit. And then, natanggal yung isang maliit na baby, pero that's okay. So, ito yung code ni seller na namay ni Sissy. So, ito medyo malaki siya, yellow and green. And this one is yellow and green din. Tapos, ito orange na may white line siya. Ito, combination of yellow, orange na nagre-red. So, maganda yung color combination. So, ilagay muna natin siya sa isang tabi. And start unwrapping naman yung mga in-order ko. So, ito, super kabuto, big size na siya, for 100 each yung bili ko sa kanya. So, I strongly recommend the seller Joanna Succulent kasi mabait si seller at maayos siyang kausap. Healthy rin yung mga plants na pinapadala niya or mabibili mo sa kanya. So, may pa-free si seller. Thank you so much, Ma'am Joanna, for your free. So, it's yellow, green. Let's start unwrapping the next one. It's also a super kabuto. So, clean yung roots niya, walang soil. And maganda yung mga fuzzy ng super kabuto na nabili ko sa kanya. So, I bought different kind of fuzzy na meron doon sa super kabuto. And I was surprised kasi big talaga yung size. Parang tingnan, kung titignan nyo, parang malaki talaga siya. Siguro, hindi ko ma-estimate yung size, pero basta malaki siya. Kasi 100 each siya. Unlike yung unang in-order ko sa kanya na isang set yun na 1,000 pesos. Pero small size siya. I think that's 35 pieces for 1,000 pesos pero maliliit. So, ito naman yung variegated gymnocalcium na nabili ko. So, it's yellow and orange and green in variegation. So, let's start unwrapping the next one. Medyo matinik siya, masakit siyang hawakan, kaya ganyan yung paghawak ko. And clean yung roots, hindi siya ganun ka-dehydrated. So, maganda yung variegation nito. Tapos, hindi siya ganun ka-dehydrated. Hindi ko katulad nung unang i-deliver sa akin ni Ma'am Joanna. Kasi ngayon, mas mabilis ko siyang nakuha. 2 days lang after nung shinip niya, nakuha ko agad. Yung dati kasi, parang 3 days or 4 days bago ko na kuha yung item sa LBC. So, depende din talaga sa LBC kung mabilis sila. Minsan matagal, minsan mabilis. Ayun. So, yung next one na na-unwrap natin is a Super Kabuto. Ayan, ang ganda ng fuzzy niya. So, yung Super Kabuto, yung fuzzy minsan parang titignan mo parang sesame seeds na dumikit sa kanya, no? Ang cute. Tapos, yung sumunod na unwrap natin is a variegated gymnocalcium, yellow and green na may touch of orange or I think it's a red-orange in color. So, ang stock ni Miss Joanna last time is more on yellow variegation na may touch of orange. Ito maganda din. Yung pinaka-line niya is whitish. Tapos sa baba is like peach in color. Then yellow sa ibabaw. Then may green din siya. The next one is medyo matinik. So, ayan yung bottom part. So, malinis talaga mag-air dry si seller. And yellow and green yung color ng variegation ng gymnocalcium na na-unwrap natin. So, let's start unwrapping the next one. It's a Super Kabuto. So, ayan. Clean. 'Di ba? Ang ganda. Happy ako sa mga nabili ko sa kanya today. And yung last na nabili ko, happy din naman ako doon. Kasi yun naman para sa school nung anak ko. Parang we will be having a fair, then we're going to sell it. So this one is a very unique one. Green yung bottom part and then orange yung ibabaw niya. And the next one is, ayan, parang orange na may line ng somewhat red, gano'n, na may konting white, tapos may green din siya. So, ang ganda ng mga variegation, hindi lang pala lahat yellow. Actually, nakalimutan ko na kasi kung ano ba yung na-mind ko sa kanya. So, ito, yellow and green. So, ayan lahat yung nabili natin. And thank you so much, seller. So, let's have a final look and closer look at each of the gymnocalcium na nakuha natin from Sisi Mitch. Thank you so much, Sisi, sa blessing. And now, let's take a look at the one that I ordered from Joanna Succulents. Let's have a final and closer look. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye.